In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get direct answers from ChatGPT 2026 full guide. If you've ever asked the model to explain like I'm 5, you've probably noticed it can get cute and simple, but the technical accuracy sometimes disappears. That shortcut trades precision for soft metaphors. A better pattern is to keep the accuracy while lowering the cognitive load. Ask for progressive elaboration or a clear, grounded analogy instead of a blanket simplification. You'll still get plain language, but you won't lose the structure that actually matters. Here's how to implement progressive elaboration in a single prompt. Tell the model you need to understand a complex concept or library and ask for 3 tiers in one go. First, the abstract, one sentence in everyday language with zero jargon. Second, the analogy, a practical, real-world comparison that shows how the idea works. Third, the technical breakdown, a step-by-step explanation of the core mechanics suitable for an entry-level professional. This tiered format makes it easy to stop at a high level or drill down immediately without bouncing between messages. When something still feels fuzzy, shift perspectives to expose blind spots. Ask the model to analyze the topic as a developer focused on what problem it solves in production, as a system architect concerned with failures and bottlenecks, and as a business stakeholder weighing why the efficiency matters financially. Those lenses pressure test the idea from operation, reliability, and value angles, so you see trade-offs you might otherwise miss. Next, move from passive reading to active recall using what I call the Feynman loop. After you get the explanation, summarize it back in your own words and ask the model to critique your summary. Tell it to correct misconceptions, highlight gaps in your logic, and finish by giving you one scenario-based question to prove you truly grasp the core mechanism. This transforms your session into a feedback loop that quickly surfaces what you don't yet understand. For dense technical assets like recursive functions, regex patterns, or database schemas, ask for a line-by-line breakdown with inline comments that explain the purpose of each step, the data state changes, and how the logic is handled. Keep fresh topics in a new chat so the context stays clean and earlier discussions don't muddy the analysis. That's the system. Avoid the oversimplification trap. Use tiered explanations, rotate perspectives to reveal blind spots, test yourself with active recall, and deconstruct complexity line by line. Transitioning from passive reading to structured prompts and feedback is the fastest path to direct, reliable answers. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.